कलामी नाज बजुबानी नाज। रखना जुबां को पाक जो मुस्लिम अगर हो तुम। रखना जुबां को पाक जो मुस्लिम अगर हो तुम। ये लान व तान है नहीं शेवा शरीफ का। ये लान व तान है नहीं शेवा शरीफ का। गर इख्तिलाफ हो भी तो अखलाक का लिबास। गर इख्तिलाफ हो भी तो अखलाक का लिबास। उतरे न देख कर कहीं चेहरा हरीफ का। उतरे न देख कर कहीं चेहरा हरीफ का। Dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. These poetic couplets remind Muslims of their Islamic heritage, the etiquettes of social interactions, and preservation of dignity during conflicts. It focuses on two main dimensions of human character: speech control and grace under pressure. The couplet explicitly states that insult and mockery are completely out of order for a true believer. Clean and not obscene language must always be maintained. The morals aren't defined by how one speaks in normal circumstances, but by the restraint shown when provoked. True strength lies in keeping one's speech pure and the manners intact, even in the heat of an argument. As a civilized person would never willingly remove the clothing in public, the same way, a noble person should never strip away the manners, no matter how intense the argument gets. The ultimate test of one's character is the immediate reaction upon the sight of the opponent, even an enemy, never losing composure, temper, or abandoning the moral code. अल्लाह ताला हमें शैतान की तमाम तर शर से महफूज रखे। आमीन या रब्बिल आलमीन। सलामी तशक्कुर, सलामी नाज।